Did you know you can grow some of the most delicious and nutritious fruits and veggies during winter? Yes, even in the cold months, your garden can thrive and you might be missing out on the easiest crops to grow right now. Stick around because I'm about to share the ultimate list of winter-friendly plants that will keep your table full and your wallet happy. Winter gardening doesn't have to be hard. In fact, it can be one of the most rewarding seasons for growing fresh produce. Whether you're in a mild climate or dealing with frosty mornings, I've got you covered with plants that can handle it all. Let's dive right in. First up, leafy greens. Winter is their time to shine. Here's what you can grow. Spinach. This superfood thrives in the cold, and the leaves are tender and full of flavor. Bonus, it grows quickly. Kale. Not only is it packed with nutrients, but frost actually makes it sweeter. How cool is that? Lettuce. Stick with varieties like butterhead or romaine. They can handle cooler temperatures like pros. Pro tip. If you're dealing with freezing temps, use a simple row cover to keep your greens cozy and growing. Root vegetables for winter harvests. Next, let's dig into root vegetables. These are some of the easiest and most satisfying crops to grow in winter. Carrots. Cold weather makes them sweeter and they store beautifully in the ground until you're ready to harvest. Beets. Perfect for roasting or adding to salads. They love cooler weather and are super easy to grow. Radishes. Want quick results? Radishes can be ready to harvest in just a few weeks, even in winter. Quick tip. Mulch around your root crops to keep the soil from freezing and make harvesting easier. Winter-hardy veggies. Now, for the heavy hitters veggies that are tough enough to handle even the chilliest days. Broccoli. Winter-grown broccoli is tastier and more tender. Start it early and you'll have fresh heads all season. Brussels sprouts. These little guys love the cold and develop a sweeter taste after frost. Cauliflower, another cool weather charm. Grow it in a sunny spot and you'll have beautiful, crisp heads in no time. Don't forget to fertilize these plants. They're heavy feeders and need some extra nutrients to thrive in cooler months. Fruits to brighten winter days. What are fruits, you ask? Believe it or not, winter can be a great time for these tasty treats. Citrus fruits. If you live in a mild climate, lemons, oranges, and limes are perfect winter crops. They thrive in cooler temps and add a burst of sunshine to your garden. Pomegranates. These grow well in mild winters and are packed with antioxidants. Strawberries. Winter varieties. Yes, there are winter strawberry varieties. They love the cooler weather and can produce sweet berries all season. For colder climates, grow these fruits in pots and bring them indoors or into a greenhouse. Before we wrap up, here's a bonus tip. Start your seeds indoors if you're dealing with extreme cold. That way, you can transplant them as soon as the weather is just right. Now it's your turn. Which of these winter crops are you most excited to grow? Let me know in the comments below. And hey, if you found this helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening, and I'll see you in the next video.